Okay friends, and today we are going to install the cudnn. For installing the cudnn, first you have to go into the cudnn directory where you have downloaded it and open the terminal from here, and you have to get the super user authentication. So give your password. So after giving your password, list all the things. So as you can see here, all has been listed, and we are interested in this. So what we are going to do is we are going to this cudnn installation, and we are going to download one by one. So you have to download this Linux library samples and these runtime debs and these three things and over here. And after you downloaded, you will get all the things as you can see it from here. All the things will be listed over here. Then after that, what you do is you have to come here, and it has listed that CUDA XAV is C, like that. You have to get the code, and what you have to do is you have to take this and you have to paste this one, and it will be unzipped. So it has unzipped all those things, and after unzipping it, you have to follow these procedures. You have to get this and you have to paste this, and you have to get the another next thing and paste this, and you have to get this thing. It will take some time to copy all the folders and files and paste these things. You have to copy these things and put it in a text format, and better you have to align it to the next one and copy these things. Just do it like this, just maximize it and hit enter. So it will be better that you copy as it is. So let us copy as it is. So it is showing some error, but it never minds. So next what you have to do is you have to install these things. Copy and install these things. Sudo dpkg, and first one would be CUDA 9.1 plus 1 CUDA 9.1 AMD. It would be this. So you have to copy this and paste it over here. So this may take some time. So it shows that it doesn't see the symbolic link. So there may be some problems. So let us try for the next one. This div. So copy this and paste it over here. So the next one would be the doc file. So you have to get this doc file and copy this and paste it over here. So after doing this, you can do it by verifying this. Copy it and paste it, so it comes out correctly. So you have to just do it like this in order to verify it. So you have to make and clean it, or you have to make it, just make the code. So it is compiling now. So after that you have to copy this, and if it is test as passed, your all cudnn installation is correct. So the test has been passed. Okay friends, the test is passed and your cudnn installation has been correctly installed. So this is how you install cudnn. And thank you friends, please like, share and subscribe. And let me show you one more thing. After this, you know about YOLO, everybody knows about YOLO darknet. So let us see whether our cudnn installation is correct. So go to the make file and put for cudnn1 the make file and just save it, and let us see whether it is compiling this. Let us see whether it is compiling this. Where is the make file? It is over here. So let us put for cudnn1 and save it and get into the directory and make the file. If cudnn installation is correct, all would be process correct. So I think it is correct. The cudnn has been installed correctly. So the YOLO has been done. So let us check for another thing. YOLO darknet and real-time object detection. And let's go to this nightmare thing. So first let us get the weights. Save link as. Then go to the home, to the darknet and save this file. So it is going to only take few seconds, and after that we are going to test this. So the cudnn has been installed correctly, so the YOLO format is also make it correctly. So the next thing what we are going to do is we are going to install OpenCV. Before that, installing OpenCV, and also I have to remember you, if you have some errors, please get to this directory, file systems, and go to this. If you have error, if the test is not passed, go here, used, include, and search for cudnn. So it is over here. So open this. As you can see, it is drivers.h it is given. So you have to change this. You have to put angle brackets. This angle bracket you must put here. You can't change it now. See, I am typing delete. You can't change it. So you have to put angle brackets for this double quotation, and you have to save it in the desktop, and you have to copy back to this folder. You include folder in your file system. Go to the user, I'm telling again, and go to the include and search for cudnn. I didn't have any mistake, but if there is mistake for you, please change this double quotation into angle brackets like this. okay friends, and copy it, save it in the desktop and copy it from the use the super user password, super user menu, sudo or super user menu, and copy the files back to from path A to path B, copy from path A to path B, and it will be over. I'll give you those commands below. Thank you friends. So after doing so our weights has been downloaded. So let us check for a very complex one. So this is a complex one. Let us check for this. So let it run. So it is just doing its process. So up to 5 iterations has been finished, 6 iterations has been finished. So you see how fast it is doing. Without this GPU or anything, you could not do it. If you have these errors, do it. If you don't have these errors, please, you don't need of doing it. So let us see the results. Go to the darknet and let us see it. So this is one among the results, and let's use the full power of cudnn. So let us put 17 is the highest I think you can go. If you put 18, so it is code dumped. So let us put 17. 17 is the highest thing you can go. So if you go like this, it will just make use of this thing, and it will just calculate it as fast as possible. And the iteration is going to be finished. So it has finished, the iterations has been finished. So let us see the file is over here. So this is the file which has rendered. So the dream file. So this is how you use CUDA and cudnn. And thank you friends, please like, share and subscribe.